Okay, if you are done with drawing, you can press yes. If you know where is the yes sign, like I have done it for myself, yes sign. In the participant list, down there is a yes, no.
You can make it a boat.
Where it is, if you need help, you ask for it. Shlok just did it when he was going away. He put a clock in front of him. Now I think Shlok is back without the clock. I can see Preeti is done, Roshni is done. Yeah, all of you do that because we are going to use this yes, no, thumbs up, thumbs down today in our session. So let's see, all of us are comfortable and then we are. If you are done with this, completing your drawing, click on yes. If you are not, put no. So we know where you are.
Sorry, which drawing do we have to do?
Yeah, there is a slide. Can you see the slide?
Yeah.
It says complete the drawing to draw something that you like most.
Okay.
Yeah, but you have to use this as a base figure, what is drawn on the slide, to have more fun.
Okay.
Not
I think you can also make a boat from
yes,
that.
Smriti is still doing, so she has put cross. Nice. So some of you are trying different features. Yes. Okay, I can still see some of you are still trying to do that. You're still drawing. Does that mean?
That could also become a boat. That could also become a boat.
Already, yes, anything which you like, you can convert this scribble into that drawing.
If not doing it, then we close it.
Yeah, some of you are still not done, either cross or yes. Shrishti, Trisha, you need help. Aruna, Kabir, Drupad.
Aditi, what are we doing now?
We are just starting our opening circle. We are all settling down. So if you have drawn what is written on the slide, which says complete this drawing to draw something that you like most. Yeah, if anybody need translation, ask for it. Hindi, English, Tamil, Kannada. I think someone can also do in French. Shishti saying I made it into cookie. Yeah. Yeah. Whichever, whatever. Yeah, you like cookie? Yes. So whatever you want, you have to convert this drawing into that. Okay, some of you have logged in but have not responded with yes and no. If you have not done it, respond with no. If you have done the drawing, respond with yes. And if you need help to figure out where is this, ask for help.
Anushka is
Anushka is showing her drawing, what she drew. Yes, Anushka, you also want to talk. What is that? Yeah, maybe come little closer. Now we can see what you have drawn. Okay, some of you are still not done it. That's okay. I think we will move ahead. We will be using this feature of yes and no today. Okay. So before we go, let's have a little on chat window or on the mic, whichever way you're comfortable. What are the different living skills? Did all of you eat breakfast in the morning, had milk, brush your teeth, got up in the morning? Some of you were also in the fitness club. Some of you cleaned up your bed, some of you have cleaned up your room, some of you have helped in whatever washing utensils at home. Some of you are also learning how to use Zoom for your session. Some of you are listening to instruction. Some of you expressed your feelings. So different things you did. So let's see from the living skills, which one you think are important for you. Which living skill you think is important for you? Shishti saying cooking. Yeah, cooking. Yeah, basic cooking to eat whatever you can or you like for your, say, chapati, or say making cutting little, chopping little vegetables, or communication. Karuna is saying yes. Ability to talk. So yeah, we will take communication little in the second thing. Right now we are talking more about the living skills. Yes, eating food. Anushka is saying yes. How do I learn to eat food? Which food I want to eat? Which one to decide? Which one to eat? Yeah, that can be a basic skill.
Hello, Aditi auntie.
Yes, Kabir or
Vimal
Vimal.
here.
Yes, Vimal. You need translation.
Yes.
Yeah. Can we have someone who can translate Tamil? Anyone in the group knows Tamil and can quickly translate to
I
Kabir?
think Leela can.
Aditi,
Yes.
I didn't get it what you said.
What are the basic skills for living you need?
Bimal?
Yeah, Leela, you can brief him.
Yes, Bimal?
Yeah, Arat is saying cooking. Advai is talking about reading. Yeah. Some of you are saying cooking and eating food, or she's saying social interaction. Yes. We'll come to communication skills as part of basic skills little later in our slide.
1 minute. Bimal, கேக்குதுங்களா? 1 minute.
Yes, I'll pause, Leela. Yes.
Bimal, கேக்குதுங்களா? Bimal, are you there? Am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you, Leela.
I think Bimal is, I don't know. Okay. Bimal, okay. Your volume, we can't hear you. But can you hear me?
Hi.
Okay. Yeah. Basic skills என்ன நம்ம பொழிக்கிறதுக்கு என்னென்னலாம் important skill நம்மளுக்கு தேவை. Okay. For example, நம்மளுக்கு cooking நம்ம அட்லீஸ்ட் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ அது செஞ்சுக்கிறது ஒரு பேசிக் ஸ்கில் தானங்க. அது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தானே பொழிக்கிறதுக்கு. நம்ம உங்க வாய்ஸ் கேட்கல, புரியுது இல்லைங்களா? You can show in action. Okay.
Okay, thanks, Leela. So I'll come back to some of the responses which you have put up. Some you are saying, yeah, Bani saying brownie. Yeah, brownie, you can, oh, sorry, Bani. Maybe we can live without brownie, but can we live without basic food? So today we are talking about basic skills which we need to live. Someone is saying walking, drinking water. Anjali saying meditation. Anjali, we can still live without meditation. I'm not talking about the quality of life and prana. I'm talking about the basic skills to live. Yeah, yes, Kanda is saying money management. Yes, how do I, the COVID is telling us money management is important. COVID is also telling us that how do we cook our food by ourselves. Self-care and self-awareness. Karuna is talking about time. Achille is talking about expressing my needs. Yeah, so what is coming as a basic skill is the combination of a lot of things out here. So, yeah, discipline. Maybe you can live without discipline when it comes to basic needs of living. I will say the discipline and pranayam are the higher order basic skills of living. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll come back to living skill where we are talking about, say, basic ability to cook your basic food, say chapati and vegetable, or dal and rice, or plain rice, which you can eat. And in cooking, I'm not talking about baking and other stuff, pizza and all. Those are all our interests, but what we're talking about today is the basic skills of self-care, which say like hygiene. Some of us, we have different ages here, so maybe in cooking, a basic skill of little cutting vegetables, maybe ability to cut your food, a fruit, which you want to eat, or how to make your milk by yourself.
Loudly, I can't hear you.
Oh, I have to be a little more louder. Can I check with others? Maybe Bunny, am I audible to others?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Bunny, do you need help? Maybe either your volume you increase, or you come little closer to the laptop or whatever mobile you are sitting next to. Yeah, Anjali, digestion will happen by itself. So we don't need that basic skill, but we need to have the care for that digestion, that we are taking care of our body.
Hello, Aditi auntie.
Yes, Tamil. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, Vimal, sorry. Yeah, Vimal.
Can you explain in Tamil?
Yeah, let me finish this part, and Leela and will explain to
Okay.
you. Yeah. So what we're talking about is cooking, basic skill, self-care as a basic skill. Okay, so what we'll do is, many of you have put cooking as a basic skill. So in that, you can choose cooking as a cooking meal, or cutting and chopping vegetables, or making your milk, or choosing what is that you want to do. All comes under food and cooking. So in your participant list, what we'll do is we'll do a little what do you call is voting today. Okay, and how does the voting happens? Voting happens like this. You can choose to do the thumbs down, which you say no, it's not required, or you can thumbs up. That means you're satisfied with your basic skills, that you think you know that sufficient, that yeah, you're satisfied with it. You can vote yes, which means you want to work this month as part of your planning. Or you can say no, it's important, but I'm not planning to work right now on this skill. Yeah, so let's start the voting round.
1 minute, I'll translate, Aditi.
Yes, Leela. Yeah, go ahead and translate. Thank you for reminding. And then we can do the voting. Thumbs
Yes.
up, down, yes. If
கவின்
required.
நம்ம பொழிக்கிறதுக்கு என்னென்ன எல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு பேசிக் ஸ்கில்ஸ் நினைக்கிறோமோ
ஆமாங்கா.
அது வந்துட்டு இப்போ ஆண்டி ஒண்ணுன்னா சொல்லுவாங்க. சோ we can say இது நான் இது கத்துக்கணுமா வேண்டாவா, எஸ் நோ.
ஓகேக்கா.
ஏன்னா இப்போ நான் கத்துக்க மாட்டேன், அப்புறம் இப்போதைக்கு எனக்கு தேவை இல்ல இது. சில எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் வந்துட்டு ஆண்டி சொன்னாங்க, குக்கிங், அப்புறம் நம்ம பாத்துக்கிறது, நம்ம ஹைஜீனா இருக்கிறது, நம்ம கிளீனா இருக்கிறது,
ஆமாங்கா.
அப்புறம் நம்ம பேசுறது, இது எல்லாமே பேசிக் ஸ்கில்ஸ் தானங்க. நம்ம ஃபுட் நம்ம வளர்க்கறது.
ஆமாங்கா.
So all these are basic skills. Auntie will tell few and we can say yes or no. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Anjali, you have put up very nicely. Yes, dressing up, taking care of my hygiene.
Aditi?
Yeah. So 1 minute, Pita. Nalini, Arhat, you have put it up in the chat window. I think we need to put it up open the participant list, and there is a voting yes, no. And
what are we supposed to vote for?
You think cooking as a living skill, as a basic skill, is required, not required, satisfied, work this month? You think it's not important, or you think it's important, but this month you're not planning to work on. Am I clear, Gina?
Okay, only cooking
Yeah.
you are.
Today, right now, we are only voting for the cooking.
Oh.
But as you do your planning, you can consider other skills also. This is just for the stimulation to begin that, okay, how we as a group think about the different basic skills. Yeah, I can. Am I clear, Nalini? Jinal?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Advay, you need to vote for only for cooking, your opinion about cooking, that it's required. Sorry, it's not required, thumbs down. If you think you're satisfied, thumbs up. You want to work this month, say yes. If you think it's important but don't want to work this month on this, developing this basic skill of cooking, put it no.
Is this only for cooking or all
Yeah.
basic skills?
Yeah, right now opinion only about cooking, but at home
Okay,
after
okay.
this session you can discuss with your parents for similar way about the different basic skills of living.
Okay.
Yeah,
And thumbs up.
yeah, so you put thumbs up there, and against your name you have put up yes. That means, are you planning to work this month? Actually, you have put yes. Are you planning to work on this basic skill? Anushka, Arhat, are you guys?
Yeah, I'm planning to.
Okay, then you can make a note in your
Which basic skill?
of cooking.
Oh.
Yeah, younger kids can put up either they want to put the basic skill of, say, chopping or making their milk, preparing salad which they eat, or whatever in food they eat. Yeah, Mishti, Usha, Karuna, can you put up in the voting column? Open the participant list in your mobile or laptop, and there you can do the voting. Shiv is saying it's important, but you're not working. Yeah, interesting. Advay says satisfied. Advay, are you satisfied with your basic cooking skill? Are you able to? Yeah, we saw some sandwich posts which you have put up.
Yes, I am satisfied.
You're
Like
satisfied.
I actually help my mom for daily breakfast. I always do that actually.
So it's already there in your list, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I had actually did planning day before yesterday. Sorry, Sunday only.
So it's already part of your planning. So you can actually then put yes. Yes means tick yes. Yeah. So yes, Trisha is saying yes. Trisha, are you planning to work this month?
I actually
Wait, two people are speaking together. Is it Bani speaking?
I've also been doing through this month actually cooking.
Pardon? You're doing cooking this month?
Yeah, I've already been doing it.
You've already been doing. So are you continuing doing this?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. So that's so okay. You've already put tick yes. Mriti, are you also planning to work this month on cooking? Little talk. What is that you want to plan on this?
Yeah, so I'm going to work because we have to make a deal that I'll make dinner. So I'm going to like think what dinner I'm going to make or what type dinner. So yeah.
So are you talking about menu making, or you're talking about cooking the dinner?
Cooking the food.
Oh,
also
cooking.
menu making.
And also the menu making. Interesting. So some of you have already thought as this as a basic skill after we did the opening circle last week, and some of you are getting into understanding what is that. Trisha, did you get what? Okay, no, you were not asking the doubt. Yeah, Leela, can we check with Vimal? Is he there with us? Meanwhile, I'll put up another thing. And what is that?
Vimal, புரிஞ்சுதுங்களா? Vimal?
Okay, so for each basic skill, what we will talk about is,
Vimal, Aditi,
yes,
Vimal is not with you. He's not able to connect to what you all are saying.
okay. Does he need any translation?
He needs.
Are you there? Likita, are you also there with them?
I'm there.
Speaking, I'm learning to cook by peeling potatoes and cutting potatoes.
Yes, so Bani has already started working on her basic skill by cutting potatoes. So are you planning to continue doing that? You can click say yes. Yeah. Nikita, do you need help? You can maybe call up a little later after this session. I can take you through.
Okay, Aditi.
Yeah. Okay. So the one thing which I wanted to bring it to the attention is if the parents are there in the session and if some of the children who are also either whether you're planning or whether you're not planning, that what kind of environment are you creating at home? Is there an environment where you are taking part in whatever way the cooking is happening at home? Are the parents creating a space for children that yes, cooking is part of learning, cooking together, giving opportunities, having different tools which can children can um, use to develop this basic skills, especially the younger one. Are they a small thing like do they make their milk by themselves? Do they cut their small, like Bani was saying, I'm cutting potatoes. So some of you are already doing at home, some of you have the environment of basic skill where basic skills are welcome to develop.
Aditi,
Yes.
can also add other than cooking.
Somebody is speaking, but I'm not able to speak. Oh, not able to understand. Yeah, Leela, you are adding something?
Basic skills, there are lots like stitching, taking care of first aid or
Yeah, Leela. Yeah, Leela, that will come one by one. And then in detail, we will talk in the breakup room. Right now, we'll just try to understand what are these basic skills. Yeah, Roshni is putting up cooking a recipe, washing, peeling, chopping. Yes, interesting, Roshni. What is stirring up milk for juice and self? Yeah, so that's the kind of environment I'm talking about. Is that are we creating that environment? If you're creating, good enough. If we are not, I think we can relook into it. Okay, let's come back to other part of basic skills, communication. In that, whatever you think are the basic skills are required to communicate. Some of you may ask, what is communication? Communication, consider reading, writing, talking, speaking, expressing, listening, different kind of communication. Yanushka is saying, yeah, Yanushka already started cooking when she was 3-year-old. Yeah. Okay, so now let's come to the next one, communication skill, which all you think are important, or which all you think are the basic skills. So let's move from living skills like cooking, stitching, and self-care to the communication. Which one you think are the basic skills?
Go.
Nalini says listening. Rashni is talking about reading. Mishti is still sharing about the cooking. Yes, salad. Yes. Margaret is thinking patience. Yeah, patience are, Margaret, maybe you can still live without the patience. So we are talking about the basic skills without which we need for our day-to-day living. Now, Trisha, can you little more talk about is what is the communication? Are you saying expressing? Yeah, okay. Leela is talking about, yes, presentation, ability to present what are your thoughts and create clarity to others. Nalini is talking about writing. Yes, I would also like other children to also either come on the mic or express through the chat window. Anushka thinks talking gently is a basic skill. They're saying writing and reading. Adve, can you come on the mic and little share about why do you think writing and reading is a basic skill?
For me, writing there needs to be there. Otherwise, I want to, like if we want to write a letter, I need to know writing
Mm-hmm.
like
And
that.
reading?
And if someone replies me the letter, I need to know reading to understand and what is written in that letter.
Interesting. Kabir is talking about the dance as the basic skill. Yeah, Kabir. Dance can be a basic skill, but before dance, what is that? You need to live. Some of us can still live without dancing. Yeah, Leela is talking about writing, letter to the government. Oh, interesting. Some of us may think that, oh, it's difficult to go to the police station. I don't know the bank work. Some of you already know reading and writing, but then you can think little more deeper into what are the different Roshni is talking about drawing and scribbling. Yeah, drawing and scribbling is the beginning of reading and beginning of writing. Yeah, so that way we can take that as a basic skill. Krishav is thinking talk. Yes, how do I talk to different people when I go out? How do I find out information? How do I talk to people about whatever I'm thinking about? Krishav, is it possible for you to come on the mic and share a little about why do you think the talk is a basic skill you need it? Or Trisha, would you like to come on the mic and share a little about talking or conversation as a basic skill?
So that you
I think your
conversation you have to be
voice is breaking. Yeah, Trisha. Yeah, you can type. Yep. Trisha, if your mic is open, you working, you can come on the mic and share. Roshni is talking about presentation. Yes. Yeah, Nalini, I'll bring you back to the basic skill. We can still live without knowing what is the body's, be aware of our body language. Remember last week we talked about 4 buckets: interest, basic skill, contribution, and there was one more bucket. I'm forgetting that bucket. Yeah. So today we are talking a little more in detail about the basic skill. Yeah. Somebody saying writing English. Yeah, Kabir. Any one language, whichever one language you want to pick up, if you have the ability to read and write, you can do. As Advay was saying, I can receive letter. I can communicate. I can read what somebody has.
Yeah, yes. Even I could also use it while I'm doing business to write the list.
Yeah, so many different
list and also write the list what they want and all.
Yeah, so
in business I would think that I would need.
Advay, can you repeat again, because I think I was speaking in between when you can you talk
Okay,
again?
I think even for business you need to do it, because for reading the list and writing the list, all I would need writing and reading for even business when I become big. So that is one of the things, and also to talk properly that others can also understand and listen. Also, that's all some of my things which.
Yeah, interesting. So Advay is talking about ability to read and write, and then I think Kabir has said specifically English. Yeah, so I want to add to this that any one language which you can read and write and speak and express and listen and hear. It can add value to many different things. As Advai is saying, if you want to do business, these basic skills can help you. If you want to learn dance, these basic skills can help you. If you want anything you want to learn, these basic skills can help you. Margaret is talking about the money. Yeah, money. We will come in little while in computation skills. When we talk about the basic skill, Aravni is saying fast writing. Yes, writing in any form, any language which you can express to others by writing, and then you can read that what is written. You can do so many different things. Some of you wants to learn drawing, want to do many different things, but sometimes stuck because you are not have not developed that basic skill. Some of you have that basic skill, then you can look into different levels of basic skills like ability to communicate with people outside, say strangers, find information, do research, communicate with people, somebody to take somebody to hospital or do the bank work, open a bank account, understand how to
basic skills which are important.
how to learn how to do presentation of what I'm saying. There are different ages, different levels you can do your basic skill. Okay, so what we will do is give me one.
Aditi, I have a question.
Yes, Gina.
How do we put this for younger kids? I mean, I like Hevans won't know what is living in itself. Only.
I'm wondering that what is what's this?
Yes, Bani, go ahead.
What do you want to say? Say sorry, ma'am.
That's okay.
Speak late. I don't know what to say.
That's okay, Bani. You can always talk. Jinal was sharing something. Jinal, that how do we share?
Yeah. So, how do we share this with younger kids?
Yeah, very interesting question. I think I'll come back to that after this voting.
Okay.
Good. You are thinking. Yes, Bani. I'll go ahead. You want somebody saying something?
What do we have to vote for, Aditi aunty?
So okay, you tell what should we vote out of all these communication skills. Which skills do you think we should vote now?
Reading and writing only.
Chalo, reading and writing. Okay, whosoever put your voting. Ratnesh is saying, Ratnesh, you're just little late than Advai. Advai said it first, so I think we'll go ahead with what Advai said. Reading and writing, you say not required, you're satisfied, you want to work this month, and you think it's important, but you don't want to work this month. Yeah. So some of you already know this basic skills of reading and writing. You can also take expression as voting that you're satisfied or you want to work or you think it's not required. Yeah. So let's
Writing neatly.
Yeah, writing neatly. Do you think it's important? And if you think you want to work this month on that?
Yes.
Vote as yes.
Yes.
It is mentioned as yes, no? Like the green color.
Green color, yes. Vimal, do you need any translation?
To still work on it. So yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Preeti doesn't want to work this month. Fair enough. Margaret is satisfied.
I want to work on this month.
You want to work on this month, then you take it as yes. Oh, so many of you are working. Nidhi, Nalini, Rashni, Skanda working this month. So I'm assuming some of you already have basic reading and writing, so you're working on expression this month.
Aditi, someone was sharing computation. What is computation?
Yes, we will come to that. Arath is asking. Yes, Arath. Right now, let's vote for reading and writing, as Advait said, what is your opinion? Let's understand what does the group think about it. And as you're voting, I think I'll take care of what Jinal was asking and similar age group children, that how do you create environment? So it's not necessary always that you vote out of these 4 things, or even understand what is the basic skill, maybe you were asking that I think Nikita was asking that Bimal is not able to follow, which is absolutely fine. But then I think all of us can look into the environment. What kind of environment do we have at home at this moment? Do we have the environment which can develop the basic skills of reading, writing, talking, expressing, listening, speaking, presenting, communicating with different people? Do we have? So we can create that environment. How do we create that environment? I think this Wednesday in facilitation, we will take it up little more in detail, but this is just a prompt that let's create environment for this. Am I there with you, Jinal? And anybody has any other doubt?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do one more. Basic skills of computation. Arath is asking about the computation skill. Yep. Anybody wants to explain what is computation skill? There are some prompts there on the slide. Okay, so computation skill is ability to, as some of you were talking about. Yes?
Aditi aunty?
Yes?
Can you explain in Tamil?
Yeah, let me finish this computation skill, then Leela aunty will talk about it.
Okay.
In Tamil. Yeah, some of you have already started putting in chat window. Basic ability to, some of you were in the beginning were talking about money management. Yes, budgeting, time skills. How do you develop, how do you organize your time, how to do budgeting, how do you understand measurement? Some of you can talk about or think about the basic calculations, addition, subtraction, money management, how much money to give, how much money to take, how to buy my chocolates, how to buy my shoes or my clothes, how much money it will take. So these are the basic computation skill which will need to do so many things in your life. Yeah, Leela, if you can put it up in Tamil. Meanwhile, if somebody has any doubt, I can. Yes, actually, can you a little more talk about what exactly is the calculation?
Okay, Kabir, கேக்குதுங்களா?
கேக்குதுங்கக்கா.
Okay, Kabir, இது computation skills னா நம்ம ஏதாவது வாங்குறோம்னு நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்போ நம்ம கிட்ட எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, நான் எவ்வளவு வேணும்.
Is it better now?
கபில் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். எவ்வளவு வேணும், அப்புறம் நான் எவ்வளவு செலவு பண்ணும், எவ்வளவு பாக்கி இருக்கு, அந்த மாதிரி. ஓகே, அப்புறம் நீங்க ஒரு பிஸ்கட் பேக்கெட் வாங்குறீங்க, ஒரு 4 ஓகே. ஓகே, அது வந்துட்டு கம்ப்யூட்டேஷன் ஸ்கில்ஸ். கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஸ்கில்ஸ்னா நம்ம வந்துட்டு வேறவங்க கிட்ட எப்படி பேசுறோம், கேக்குறோம், ரைட்டிங், ரீடிங், இது எல்லாமே கம்யூனிகேஷன் தானே. நான் என்ன சொல்ல விரும்புறேனோ அது சொல்றது, ஆல் தீஸ் கம் அண்டர் கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஸ்கில். ஓகே, yeah, done.
Okay, so this time what do we want to, I think we can overall on computation we can vote and you can choose which one you want to take up this month, or you don't want to take anything from the communication from the computation skills. Absolutely fine. Yeah, but when you're putting up yes and no, you have your own list which one you want to. This is all to help you with your planning on basic skill. Yeah, so let's start voting. Choose your skill and then say, I don't think it's required, or I'm satisfied with it, or I want to work this month, or satisfied. Then you thumbs up. Yeah, some of you are putting in the chat window. Absolutely fine. If you can, do the voting through the participant list. There are icons. You have to just click on that. Yes, no, thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah, and as you are voting, I can again bring the environment, especially for the younger children, and even for the elder one. What kind of usage are you doing of your basic skills of, say, measurement? When you're making a project, are you bringing measurement skill? When you are doing your planning, are you bringing your time skills, time management? When you are you understanding the budgeting, money management? Yeah. Okay, I think I have one more and then we will move on. Bunny, if you want to talk, can you mute, or somebody says, is it okay? I'm muted, whosoever was there. Okay, let's take this, the last one, basic skills of understanding the world around us. Do you understand the culture of people? I put the government and hospital and travel out here. You want to travel, do you understand where you travel, how you want to travel, when you travel, what are the different basic skills you need? And do you think you need to work? Say, for example, Karuna is there. If somebody in your house is sick, whom will you call? How will you reach out to the people? How will you know that now I need the medical help? Or somebody in your neighborhood has something. Do you think you need to understand these basic skills of living with people around us? If you think, you can, or if you're planning to work this month on any of these skills, you can vote accordingly, that yes, I want to work, or no, I'm satisfied. I can deal with government. I can go to police station and talk to them, lodge an FIR if required. I can find out details from the bank. I can do the bank transfer, or deposit a check, or I understand how does the bank work. If you're satisfied, thumbs up. Any of these basic skills, you can put it up and you can vote for it. Okay, I think some of you have already voted. Yes, somebody wants to say something. Actually saying important but not working this month. Absolutely fine. Yeah, you're at least thinking that it's required, it's not required. Anjali saying no, maybe okay, important, but you're not working this month. Smriti is also, yes. Yes, Vimal, thanks for reminding. Leela, quickly, briefly, can you brief him? Meanwhile, I'll wait. Yeah.
எஸ் பிமல், இது வந்துட்டு வேர்ல்டுக்கு சம்பந்தப்பட்ட வேர்ல்டுனா நம்ம இருக்கிற சரௌண்டிங் மூலம் நம்ம என்னென்னலாம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கத்துக்கிறதுக்கு இல்லைங்களா. போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு ஏதாவது லெட்டர் எழுதணும், இல்ல கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணோம்னா என்ன பண்ணணும், ஒரு போஸ்ட் ஆஃபீஸ் எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது, ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது, என்னென்ன நம்மளுக்கு இது ரைட்ஸ் இருக்கு, அதெல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது. அப்புறம் வேர்ல்ட் கல்ச்சர்னா ஒரு இடத்துல ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட். இப்போ நீங்க வந்துட்டு பெங்களூர் போனா அங்க ரூல்ஸ் சிலது ரூல்ஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் இருக்கும்ல.
ஆமாங்க.
அது பத்தி எல்லாம் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது, வேர்ல்ட் பத்தி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிற மாதிரி. ஒரு டிராவல் பண்ணோம்னா நம்ம எப்படி டிராவல் பண்ணணும்.
சரிங்க.
Yeah, thank you, Leela. Thank you, Vimal. Yusra is saying, I don't know. Maybe Yusra, you're saying some of the skills you don't know, or you don't know which one we are talking about. If you want, you can little more clarify, or we can just go ahead. Meanwhile, I think environment. Let's see what kind of environment are we creating at home for uh, for this. What kind of culture our neighbors has? Are we understanding their culture? Do we understand our culture? Do we understand different things? Do we talk about it at home? Do we maybe read about it? Maybe do we communicate with people about these different things? So we all can look into other home environment about developing these basic skills. So I'll come back to your planning. Opening circle is also understanding, being aware of what I want to do. It's not only about interest and talents. We are also bringing up basic skills, self and social, and contribution. You decide your graph. You did it last week. If you think you need to do any changes, you can add something, remove something, go ahead and do it, and share on Slack. Very few of you are sharing on Slack. What are you planning? Remember, when you share with others, it's not only you who get benefit, it's the others also get benefit. And that's what we are all about in community, living together from our homes, learning together from our homes. Yeah. So it matters when you write and share, then it helps people to connect with you as well as.
Barney is speaking here.
Bani, let me finish, then you speak. Let me finish. Okay. Thanks, Bani. Okay, so it's required. It's an expectation that we share our planning. We connect. Okay, connection is not an expectation, but I think sharing is an expectation. Whatever you're planning, do share with the community on Slack. Yeah. And it's your planning. You can decide which one you want to do, a lot, more, less, whichever way you want to do. Discuss at your home with your family, and then do share it in Slack window. Yes, Bani, now you can go ahead. Leela, can you little brief to Vimal?
So, ma'am, I had shared one parrot on Slack, which you can see as I colored it and drew it.
Okay, so you're sharing what you are doing. That's interesting. Bani, now you can also share what all you're planning to do. Like you're saying, I can cut potatoes. So you can talk about this in planning session, that this week I'm planning to work on this. Yes.
So I'll do some more things, then I will share it with you, okay?
That would be wonderful. Yeah, it's not only you, Bani. I think that would be wonderful if each one of us are sharing something from our day. Yes, Vimal, Leela, can you brief him?
இப்போ வந்துட்டு நம்ம இந்த வீக்ல நம்ம என்னென்ன பண்ணுறோம்ட்டு நம்ம பிளான் பண்றோம்ல, அது ஸ்லாக்ல போட்டா எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரு ஐடியா. நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க உங்களுக்கு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும், வேறவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்களோ அது கூட உங்களுக்கு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும், வேறவங்களுக்கு உங்க பிளானிங் பார்த்து அவங்களுக்கு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும்ல. சோ எல்லாருமே பிளான் பண்ணி ஸ்லாக்ல போடலாம். Okay. Yeah.
Thanks, Leela. Okay, so today, this week, also I'm suggesting to have your connect need. Some of you are putting up the connection related to your interest, that I want to do the origami together, or I want someone to do dance with me, or to talk with me about music or drawing. Let's do drawing together. So this week we are inviting you to bring your connection for the basic skills if you are required. Suppose if you are wanting to work on reading and writing, if you want, connect with someone who can help you, support you with your basic skills. Someone is planning to do a presentation. If you want, you connect with other people who can help you, support you, or you can support and help other people in presentation skill. So it's an invitation that you invite or offer what all different things you can connect on basic skills. Am I there with all of you? Am I clear what we are talking about? Or if you have any doubt till now, whatever we have talked about, either you can ask in chat window or come on mic. Krishiv is already talking about on connection. Yeah, Krishiv, what kind of connection you would like to have? You can share that also. If you are right now ready, or you can think about it and then you can talk about it. Okay, if you have understood everything what we talked about in opening circle, you can type yes in chat window. Or you can, if you have little understood, you can type maybe in chat window. If you haven't understood anything, you can type no in the chat window. Okay, yes, Skanda is saying yeah, not yes. Okay, so you can type yeah also, or you can type why also. Yes, Skanda. It was a new word for, not new, a different word for yes. So that was nice. Anushka has come up with another yes. Yeah, EYA. Okay, as you're typing in the chat window, I put up the club schedule for you. And this week we have, can you see 2 stars on the slide? We have a theater as the new club every Tuesday, 2 to 3 p.m. And we have, guess what is the next club schedule we have? Which is the new schedule, which is the new club which we are proposing?
Talking about animals.
Ah, yes. So nature with Chandu uncle. So every Thursday 2 to 3 p.m. Advay has asked for change in electronics club. Advay, you can connect with Leela. Yeah, someone is saying something.
In announcement, there was a small mistake. Like instead of 2 to 3 nature and theatre club, I had put 3 to 4. I have right now corrected the announcement. It is 2 to 3 p.m. theatre and nature.
Okay. So Advay, that clarifies. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Rest of the clubs you can check.
Yes, Mishti.
This it's written Thunderbolt. What does that mean? Leela?
I couldn't
Leela, what
understand.
day is it?
It is Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday is theatre club. Thursday is nature club. 2 to 3.
Oh, what is this?
Nature is animals.
I will die in nature.
Yeah.
Aditya auntie, what is Jatre?
Good you asked for this. What is Jatre? Ratnesh, can you talk about Jatre?
And also Bolt, Thunderbolt.
You want to know about Thunderbolt also? Leela, can
Yeah.
you little brief about both the things, Jatre as well as Thunderbolt?
Jatre is about again a kind of a new exposure for all of us, that where any of your friends, any person who is passionate about sharing his skills or interests or anything, he can share. He can share about different topics, whatever he is interested in. So that will be a new exposure for us. It is for half an hour, 3:30 to 4 on Fridays. Thunderbolt.
Nothing. Go down.
Sorry. Thunderbolt is for children below 0 to 7 years. So this is your club. You can decide what you want to do, how you want to do, how do you connect with your friends who is of your age.
Thunderbolt is my club. I am not attending.
Yes, it was below 0 to 7 years.
Leela,
One,
only my people are above 18 also is fine. Can we invite?
sorry.
Only my age people should we invite, or 18 above we can invite for any of the clubs?
I didn't understand, Smriti.
For Jatre, should we only invite from my age, or we can also
Jatra can conduct.
big people and adults.
Excuse
me. 18 above.
Kabi speaking here.
Just Kabir, just 1 minute. Smriti is speaking. Just let that get over, then you can come. Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is, should we only invite my age people, or 18 above can we invite?
Yeah, there is no age limit here. Any of your friends or who are interested in sharing about their passion or their profession, they can share about. Okay.
Yeah, and it's only 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Explain in Tamil.
It's put in 3 to 4.
Leela, one clarification. It is more for somebody who's an expert in one field.
Yes.
Yeah, not like just because I play cricket, I take a TED talk for 20 minutes on cricket. So I need to be an expert in cricket. Then I come and do a small talk on cricket.
Yeah.
Smriti, did that clarify to you?
Hello, Leela.
Yeah,
Yes,
just 1 minute.
1 minute, I will translate.
Smriti, are you clear, dear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Does that give you some? Yeah, Kabir, now you can go ahead.
Wait, I can show you. Consolation Friday.
Kabir, you were asking something?
Yeah, what is class about?
Which class? This is opening circle. We are talking about planning.
Hello, Leela.
Yeah, Bimal.
Yes, Bimal. இது வந்துட்டு இந்த வாரத்துல இருந்து there are theater club, nature club ரெண்டு நியூவா வந்திருக்கு. Okay. Tuesday 2 to 3 is theater club and Thursday வந்துட்டு 2ல இருந்து 3 மணி வரைக்கும் நேச்சர் கிளப். அதுல நேச்சர் பத்தி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் திங்ஸ் இது நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் பாருங்க. ஓகே ஓகே ஃபைன். அப்புறம் ஜாத்ரே வந்து ஃப்ரைடே 3:30 to 4 இருக்கு. அது வந்துட்டு யாராவது சில ப்ரொஃபஷனா எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ் இருப்பாங்கல்ல ஏதாவது பண்றதுல, அவங்க வந்துட்டு நம்மளுக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டாபிக்ஸ் பத்தி சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. ஓகே.
Someone has signed in as MI. Can you identify?
Is there movie club?
Yeah, Smriti.
Yusra.
Yes, Yusra.
Can I join the movie club?
You can join any club, dear.
I have a question. How does movie club work?
Yusra, did you get it? That
Really,
you can
how
join
does
any club
movie
you
club?
want. Yeah, somebody's asking something.
How does movie club work?
Yeah, it is explained in the announcement.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe quickly, Ratnesh, can you talk few lines about the movie club?
If you are interested, okay. In the club time, you can connect with the people. How does it work? How to go about? Or you can put a question in the so people can share about it. Okay.
Yeah, I think a good way would be to come and attend a session to know any club.
Okay. Margaret, does that give you answer? Maybe any club which you want to know, you can come in that club or check in the Slack. Yeah?
Sure.
Someone has logged in as MI. Can you identify your name, please? Okay, so that's about the clubs. I hope you have made notes of what.
Fitness club is not mentioned.
Fitness club is a connect need, whatever collaboration request, which is done by the Kaushik, which is already there in the fitness. These are the community sessions which are put in the club list. So there are different collaboration requests with different people have put up. Check the announcement channel every day. Leela puts it by evening. So there are different collaboration needs. Different people are asking. Check it. If you need help with reading, ask your parents to read. If parents are not available, call us up. We will help you to understand what are the different collaboration happening, what are the different clubs happening. Yeah. There are some possibilities, Pitara, some ideas for people, especially the younger group children, parents. If you need some ideas are there. If you need more idea, connect with us. Let's move ahead. Yeah. Anyone need help to understand what's happening around? Some of you are asking, what is this session about? Maybe you can stay for a few minutes and then I can help you to understand what's happening. Otherwise, we can all say bye with any voting.
What's the time of music club? Bye.